action.
This is called slip and slide target suit. Okay, you get a target bag. It can be any kind of bag, but it has to be a store. What you do is both the corners, you poke 2 holes. And then the other corner, you poke another hole. And the holes have to be big.
Big why?
Because you have to put it on.
Oh.
So you put it on.
Okay.
That. And then you put your other leg in the other hole.
So now what do you do?
Get it up, and where the handles are, put it down. And I'm going to show you a trick. Ready?
Is that fun?
Yeah.